Here we go. Alright, Dominic, you've got a story to tell me, do you?
Once upon a time, there lived lots of dolphins. And this was the lots of dolphins. And this dog chopped her tail off with her friends, her old friends.
He chopped all their tails off.
Yeah, and even hers.
Even hers? How did he chop them off?
He got it a knife.
A knife. And then what did he do after he chopped them off?
This bandit ate them, and he choked.
He choked.
Bandit.
And then what happened?
And then he makes alive. He died.
He died.
And someone needed to tell a police, and it was told Dominic Raymond Pearson. That's him.
And so Dominic Raymond Pearson called the police.
And the police tracked Tom. It was a flying.
A flying police car?
And Bandit went on a tray.
On a tray.
With wheels on it.
A tray with wheels on it. And where did the police take him?
He went into life and he turned into a zombie, and he touched the police and they turned into a police zombie.
They turned into police zombies. Oh no!
And the dolphin like this. and this turned into a zombie too.
They turned into a zombie too.
And then my mom took a video.
And they were all zombies. And then what happened?
And
don't do that.
And he touched Lisa. And Lisa turned into a zombie.
He caught Lisa too. What about Dominic Raymond Pearson?
Yeah. He was the police, remember? And
then when they were all zombies, what happened?
They all touched all the people.
They caught all the people, and the whole world turned into a zombie, did they?
Yeah. The planet was a zombie. Yeah.
And then what happened?
And then the zombies sing, zombie, zombie, zombie. Zombie, zombie.
I'm coming for your brain.
Zombie, and I'm coming for your brain.